Alright, let's finish out this by doing the topic 2 review in your book. And so this is on page 196. A pest is any unwanted organism, for example, rodents, weeds, fungi like mushrooms or mold. Insects can be pests. And a pesticide is a chemical that kills all these things. So chemicals that get rid of pests. Next, there does not appear to be any concern about running through a cloud of DDT in this picture. Look at that girl there. And this was in 1948. In fact, many people were grateful that such trucks operated in the neighborhood. Explain why this event could occur in 1948 and not in 1978. Well, in 1948, it was all about ignorance. In other words, we had no idea that these chemicals were harmful to our bodies. For example, I talked about Agent Orange, which was used in the Vietnam War. And what it did was it defoliaged the jungle so that they could see the Viet Cong. They sprayed this Agent Orange everywhere and then had no clue, no idea that it was so toxic. Okay, same idea with DDT. And so in about 1969 was when they realized that the chemicals that they were spraying were really harmful, and they started to put in laws and rules against it. What's the difference between toxic versus poisonous? Well, poison refers to chemical substances in our food that cause illness. So these are chemicals usually in food that cause us to be sick or ill. So that's poisonous. Whereas toxic is usually a protein molecule, and it's made by a biological organism. Okay, bacteria, for example, botulism is made by a bacteria. Next, organic farming. Organic agriculture has come a long way. If you look on page 194, you'll see a lot. But basically, organic means that there's no chemicals used in the processing of the food. So food is grown without chemicals. So there's no pesticides or herbicides used. It's natural, and therefore, arguably, organic farming is healthier. However, the downfall is organic farming is expensive. Okay, and it costs a lot more money usually to buy organic food. So hopefully that helps you review topic 2.